This video reports on horse peak gelatin. You maybe saw this going around with an explicit video. I saw it like in an ad on TikTok that took me to a website with an explicit video showing AI depictions of Dr. Peter Attia, Arnold Schwarzenegger, different actors from the adult film industry. Megan Fox, I think, was one of them. They mentioned that like Stanford and Johns Hopkins had something to do with it. And it's all about toxic plaques and a 30-second gelatin recipe, 30-second gelatin trick for male performance, male enhancement, whatever. It's a scam. This horse peak gelatin thing that's going around is one of the latest things that I've seen with similar marketing showing different celebrities, famous doctors, as if they endorsed this, and they never did. Like I saw another scam, not horse peak gelatin. If you're looking for horse peak gelatin reviews, don't trust the reviews you see on websites trying to sell you the product. Those are fake review scores. I saw other products trying to sell you on the exact same sorts of products with different names, with like Leonardo DiCaprio, Sydney Sweeney, and Mia Khalifa, other people, also AI depictions. And this horse peak gelatin gummy, if you're looking for horse peak gelatin gummies reviews, this has no legitimacy. It's being marketed with scam marketing, AI marketing, trying to make you think that different celebrities and Dr. Peter Attia from Stanford or whatever has something to do with this. And he doesn't have anything to do with this at all. The Dr. Peter Attia depiction in the video is not just a deep fake AI, meaning like they took a video of him that already exists. It's a real video and they made his mouth move differently. It looks like a completely AI generated Dr. Peter Attia. These sorts of scams look like they're always coming from Brazil whenever I look up different things about them. I can't tell exactly. I think some of the ads on TikTok were coming from China, potentially. So maybe you have a China and Brazil mixed together sort of a thing. And the final page it takes you to after that, and that's the website that on that page, it'll try to get you to enter your information and buy the product. The website doesn't mention anything about celebrity endorsements or any of the scammy stuff. It does have a terms and conditions box that's pre-checked at the very bottom of the page, below reviews, below a bunch of other stuff that you will not notice unless you scroll way below where you enter your information to check out, which is interesting. I think it's for the terms, conditions, and privacy policy. It's pre-checked. These sorts of products can sometimes come with subscription charges of hundreds of dollars a month. The money back guarantee, surprise, is not honored, right? Big surprise. It's not a surprise at all. And if you can get someone on the phone, you probably are only going to get like a 50% back offer. Whereas when you were ordering, they claim money back guarantee, 100% money back, full refund. After you order, it's like a bait and switch sort of a thing. They kind of like don't really honor what they claimed they were going to honor. And let me guess, if you buy one of these products, you're either going to be sent to another video to go and buy something else, or you might receive a phone call from someone trying to upsell you on other supplements that also do not have any miracle properties, like they claim this thing does, horse peak gelatin gummies for male enhancement with Dr. Peter Attia and Arnold Schwarzenegger and all these people. It's a scam. It's not going to do anything for you. I've seen these scams over and over again take people for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Please report fraud if you did see the deepfake or the AI depictions and, are unable to have your money returned, whatever the case may be. I want you to be okay. I'm making this video to try to help people. Like this video, that's really big. Please like this video down below. That can help my videos show up at the top of Google and YouTube search results to combat these scam results, the scammer created results where they're trying to dominate search results. And I hope that you do that. That mean a lot to me. And like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.